Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Following Campaign Finance Money tutorial series. This video will demonstrate how to use the Ballot Measures by election search. Starting from mec.mo.gov, scroll to the bottom of the Commission's homepage where you will find a box labeled Searches. The Ballot Measures by election search allows you to find campaign committees formed to support or oppose a ballot measure in a specific election. The election year defaults to the current year, but you may choose to select another year from the drop-down menu. Next, you may choose to narrow your search to a specific election cycle or limit your results to active or terminated committees. For demonstration purposes, let's view a list of all campaign committees formed to support or oppose measures on the 2020 November general election ballot. Once you've entered your criteria, select Search. A list of committees will appear with a description of the proposed ballot measure and whether the measure was supported or opposed by the committee. Select the blue link to see a committee's general information and campaign finance reports disclosing any money received and spent. Please note, certain local ballot measure committees register and file their campaign finance reports only with their county clerk or Board of Election Commissioners. Such committees are not included in this search. This concludes our Ballot Measures by Election Search tutorial. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for Part 6, where we will demonstrate how to use the Committee Expenditures for Ballot Measures search.